Making money online has never been easier, and ChatGPT is to be blamed for that. In this video, you will learn a proven method to make money with ChatGPT without any coding skills and also learn how to maximize your revenue with few tips and tricks at the end. Also, it is worth mentioning that this method is generating passive income. So once you set it up, it will generate revenue forever. For those who are just hearing about it, ChatGPT is an open AI bot that has been trained on massive data to answer your questions, write essays, write code, scripts, articles, and much more, while chatting with you like a human. It is going to change the world very soon, and you are right on time to catch the early train before everyone starts using it, or before it stops being free. The method we are going to cover in this video is creating a website with free tools and then monetize it by showing ads to the visitors. The tools will be completely free to use by anyone and won't require any login or creating accounts. If we do a quick search, you will find tons of websites already doing this, which is an indicator that this method really works, but also that there is a lot of competition. But don't worry. We will also cover how to gain advantage over the competitors using some free tools to research the right keywords. Before we get started, you can toss a coin to your teacher by liking the video and subscribing to the channel, which is free and doesn't cost you anything. First, let's start with how to create the tools without any coding skills. Doing this is as simple as asking ChatGPT to write a script for your tool. That's it. The output of the tool will depend on how good the prompt is. A prompt is a phrase or individual keywords used as input to an AI tool like ChatGPT. The tool then tries to analyze and understand the input and automatically generates a response. So, it's important that you word your prompts in a way that the tool can understand. Here are a few tips on how to write good prompts for any AI tool. 1. Make sure your prompts are precise and clear by using short sentences that are easy to understand. 2. Always try to ask specific questions and give context of the question. 3. Pay attention to word choice in your prompts and do not use slang. For example, I will ask you to write a Python code for a tool that will generate a QR code from a link. For those who don't know, a QR code, or quick response code, is like a barcode that is used to provide easy access to online information through the camera on a smartphone. So, you just scan the code and you are taken to a website. Many people are using QR codes to convert links to get traffic on their business website. You may see restaurants using them on menus to present them in a digital form, and you can even see them on billboards. For example, look at this commercial in a New York Times newspaper with the sole purpose to make you curious enough to scan the QR code and check what it is about. Very creative marketing trick. People in business that need QR codes usually will go to Google or YouTube and try to find a way to create one for free. So there is definitely a need for this tool. And this is just one example. Another tool can be a VAT calculator. You can look at this website that has only one tool, the VAT calculator. And if we check how much traffic they get, you see it is over 100K per month. You can build this tool by asking ChatGPT to write a Python script for a VAT calculator that can exclude or add VAT based on the user input, and also the user can define the VAT percent. If we paste this code in an online Python compiler, you can see it works. Now, all you need is to ask ChatGPT to create visuals for the tools before adding it to your website. The converter tools also are very popular. You can easily ask ChatGPT to create a tool that converts PDF to Excel or Word, or even to compress files or images. Only the sky is the limit here. Maybe even make some fun little tools to calculate someone's zodiac sign based on their birthday, or create a very simple game. All you have to do is be creative and ask ChatGPT to build you the tool. It is fair to note that it will be a very basic design at the beginning, but you can keep asking it to add features and make it more appealing to the eye until you are satisfied with the tool. Once you are happy, You can create a website for each tool or make one big website with many tools to centralize all the traffic and maximize the income. The second part might be even more important, and that is to get traffic to the website and rank high on Google search. And the key here is to find highly searched keywords that have low competition, which basically means with very little effort, you can rank for certain keywords on the first page on Google and get a ton of traffic. The way to do this is by using another free tool website called ChatGPT. There, you can find a free keyword research tool where you can do your research on keywords with high traffic and low competition. All you have to do is type the keyword and check the numbers. You have more details on the website on how to use the tool for better results, but in general, you can see information like monthly volume of searches, how big is the competition, and cost per click for a certain keyword. I would suggest to do this research before creating any tools to find out the best keywords and tools to target. Once you get a list of tools you know are in high demand, you can start working with ChatGPT to create them. Now, here are the bonus tips that I believe can make all the difference for this project to be successful. In order to maximize the traffic, you should add a blog on your website that is going to have articles explaining how to use the tools. This will bring a lot of organic traffic from Google, and in those articles, you can throw in links to your tools or even affiliate link from websites like ClickBank to maximize your revenue. It is very important to make these articles helpful for the reader and to actually solve a problem they might have. I wouldn't suggest using ChatGPT to generate these articles because it seems Google will punish your website for using AI-generated content. But in case you want to, you should first check if the article generated by ChatGPT will pass for plagiarism on websites like originality.ai or similar. The second and probably best way to bring more traffic to the website is to start a YouTube channel where you will create short video tutorials on how to use these free tools and of course, link them to your website. Then, you can repurpose the same videos to create YouTube shorts and post them as Facebook Reels or TikTok to reach bigger audience. For good SEO on YouTube videos, I use vidIQ as a free extension which helps you find the perfect keywords for your videos and analyze which keywords your competition is using. There is a link in the description if you want to check out the extension for yourself, and it can also be used as a complementary tool to the keywords research tool from ChatGPT. Bringing in relevant traffic from multiple sources will also help Google to better index your website and push it up in Google search for the keywords you're targeting. After doing all this, you are done with this side hustle. Just leave it be and come back after some time to see how it is going. Or come back to our YouTube channel for another side hustle. There will be many more coming. But of course, you need to be subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out. Hope you like this method and let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below.